Hey guys, so today I'm taking a video. I'm at my grandpa's house and he has horses and chickens, and today I'm going to show you the horses and chickens. So hold on. First we're going to the horses. They might be in here. No, I don't think they are. They all have names. Okay, so I don't know how to get in because there's this spider web right here that I can fit through. Wait. Let me see if I can break it. Because I don't see a spider in it. Oh, I see one. Okay, so this is Monty's room. Here's some poop. This is Bailey's room. This is Larry's room. And yeah, there's another one. I don't know which one. Hey! See the horses? No. They're right there. Hey! That's creepy. Now I'm going to show you the chickens. There's another room. I don't know whose room it is though. I'm wondering if you ever saw that last video with Emma doing this, and she came over here and showed the snake that shed its skin, and then she got scared because there's a big bee, and then she came past the chicken, where the chicken's live, and then it and did that sound, and then she got real scared. Okay, here's the snake that shed its skin. You can see it up there. It's that thing that's hanging right there. And now I'm gonna show you the chickens. There's 1, 2, 3, 7 chickens and a rooster. If you wanted to see that last video, it's called, I think it says MK reporting something. I don't know. And here's the chickens. And let me see if this horse will come up to me. Let's see if this horse will. Hey! Hey! Okay, she's coming. Here she's coming. Here. Hey. I'm scared. Can I pet you? Hey. Hey. It's okay. Okay, I'll see you later. Monty, Baylor, or Larry. There's 3 chickens out right now. Hey, you want to see if there's any eggs? I want to see if I can come right through here. I hope I can come in here. No, I'm not gonna mess with it because I'm not getting in trouble. So today I'm gonna end this video, and it was kind of a short video, but if you like watching it, please subscribe. I need some subscribers, and you can leave some comments down below if you liked it or not, and I'll see you later.